we shot it twice. So you shoot the whole film and then you reshoot the whole film. And I just couldn't believe it because as an actor, when you do a scene, it comes out of you. Emotionally, you're finished with that scene. And then when you have to do it again, you have to really dig deep to bring out the energy to do it afresh and make it still look fresh. So it was really exhausting for me. So I just remember Jojita as a film where I was tortured the most as an actor.
Excuse me, 1 second. He was the one who would demand 20 takes. It was like, I remember we went Film City, okay, and there's a scene in the car and it's scorching sunlight and we are dying out there in the heat, and there's this one scene where Deepak comes running from behind, and that was Milan. And he came running from behind, Devika, 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 and this one shot, Aman has to look at me, he said, koi piche se bula raha hai, and I'm like, nahi, kuch nahi, chalo. For that one scene, 20 takes, 25 takes, finally I'm saying, no, Masood, like this, I'll do it like this, I'll do it like this. Finally he gives us one perfect take, and we're like, oh thank God, now we can get out of the sun. He says, Mansoor, I think if my hat was little this way, it would get more right.
Their discussions would never end.
Sir, bakwas bol rahi ho.
It always used to happen.
Anyway, the point is that how many takes I take is not relevant here. मुझे टाइम लगता है to get it right. You लोग बड़ा अच्छा करते हैं, फटाफट ले लेते हैं.
So here I would like to add one thing, like one message and this that. I said no, I'm smoking right. A lit cigarette is in my mouth and then smoke is coming out, so it means I'm smoking. So he said नहीं देख ऐसा करते हैं कि ऐसे ले चुस्की ले और फिर ऐसे कर और पेट में धुआं जाने दे और फिर धुआं बाहर निकाल, तब बनेगी स्मोकिंग. So I tried that, I coughed and coughed and coughed, and then finally I got the take right. And then I used to practice. And in that practice, I became a smoker. And till date, I haven't been able to quit smoking. So after many times, Amin used to come, कि अभी क्यों पी रहा है, अभी तो सीन नहीं है सिगरेट का, मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, छोड़ बड़ा विल पावर नहीं है तेरे में, सिर्फ सीन के लिए क्या एक्टर है तू, छोड़ सिगरेट छोड़. He tried his best to make me quit, but I couldn't.
I must say, my memories for the song Pehla Nasha, when my part and Manik's part, where they show me coming and meeting him, and he exchanging a letter to me in between the bread. Yeah. And I used to, every time I used to ask Mansoor, I said, Mansoor, you have not shown me as a family. I mean, I don't have a family in the movie, kind of. Where am I taking the breaths for? For whom am I taking so many breaths?
So don't worry about it. What we have in our hands now is really amazing. So we have to get it right. Whatever trouble we have to go through, we have to get it right. So, but you never know how an audience will react. So I'm saying from that point of view, I thought it was a great film. And I believed in it and I loved it. And I felt we have to do it right. But how an audience will like it at the time of the release, I had no idea. Whether today's audience, youth finds it relevant, I don't know. मतलब मुझे अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन पता नहीं. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, the are no more in the film, and do you still want to be part of the film? I don't know if they haven't got the call or anything, but I said I definitely still want to be part of the film. I still definitely want to.
Yeah, because what we did is when we did that, he's right. I had forgotten that. We had called all the other actors and said, आपको भी निकलना तो अभी निकलो. बार-बार शूट नहीं करेंगे. जिसको निकलना अभी निकलो.
Actually, Pooja meeting and Mansoor and everyone, like they had gone everyone to Film City. Yeah, that meeting was Film City. Yeah, after the song we had done, and then Mansoor called everyone and said, listen, this is a big meeting, and everyone, whoever wants to walk out, just go.
but I'll just play the Mukhra that I sang out to Mansur Saab and Manju Saab had not written the song. Can I have Rohansh playing the dummy? Would you like to hear it? The song okay. So Rohansh, is he here? That's my son. Rohansh is a 14-year-old boy. He plays piano better than me when I was at his age. So he'll play Surdev.
अरे यार ये भी सीन नहीं है No, but let me tell them what scene it was here.
Okay,
The scene is that बाप मुझे compare करता है with, you know, Mamik and says, look at him, you're such a loser. And then anyway he leaves and Mamik leaves and then and Aisha Zulkar comes. And I say, you know that scene? I say, मैं toast पे देखो, you know, my father doesn't love me, doesn't care for me. You know, he looks up to my brother only. Actually ड्रामा कर रहा हूँ, मतलब इससे मुझे actually पैसे चाहिए जैसे कि यार पैसे भी नहीं मिलते, देखो मेरे जूते फटे हुए हैं, and then finally she gives some money to me, है ना? वो scene है.
And we were both scratching our heads. Then some of the recording technicians said कि they are probably slow motion में करेंगे, ये ऐसा है. तब जाके समझ आया, मगर जब ट्रांसफर हो रहा था वो गाना, तब तो एकदम मर गए थे हम लोग.
The main feat was getting.
तो आपकी फिल्म को प्रेज कर रहे हैं और सब चाहते हैं कि एक बार फिर से आप वापसी करें, तो क्या ख्यालात आते हैं आपके? और ये दूसरी बार 25 साल बनाए जा रहे हैं.
मैंने मतलब ऑलरेडी शेयर किया है कि आई थिंक द रीज़न वाई जो जीता कनेक्ट्स ओवर थ्रू जनरेशंस इज क्योंकि ये कहानी हर जो एनीबडी हु इज ग्रोइंग अप फील्स द सेम थिंग, यू नो, हाउ टू फाइंड हिमसेल्फ, हाउ टू प्रूव हिमसेल्फ, यू नो. तो ये ऑब्वियसली दैट्स कॉमन, यू नो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू गेट आउटडेटेड दैट फीलिंग. और शायद इसकी रिकग्निशन मुझे रिलीज में इतनी नहीं दिखी जितना बाद में दिखी. 10 years later I felt that the audience was really connecting with the film. You know, when it released and went away. It was okay.
आपकी वापसी कब हो रही है दोबारा एज अ डायरेक्टर?
कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मेरी वापसी हो.
जरूरी है.
जरूरी है.
बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत जरूरी है.
तो अगर जो मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल हैं जो मुझे ऑब्सेस करते हैं आजकल, वो एक अलग जोन में है. अगर मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगा जो अभी नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तो यू माइट वंडर वेदर आई एम द सेम पर्सन. सो इट्स इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट जोन. व्हाट आई टॉक अबाउट, व्हाट आई स्पीक अबाउट, व्हाट आई थिंक डे एंड नाइट, इट इज़ स्लाइटली वेरी डिफरेंट. तो वो फिल्म जो है वो इतनी कमर्शियल अपीलिंग फिल्म बनेगी या नहीं बनेगी इज़ वेरी वेरी डाउटफुल. बट इट्स अ रियल.
Said on stage just now that you would consider it if maybe Raju Hirani sir wrote something or you got to explain. So tell us if the cameras were not allowed.
Well, I hope Raju is watching this because he has no clue that he's trapped.
He's trapped, yeah.
What I really meant was that it has to be a thought which I want to convey. It can't just be a good script. Amir gave me a good script, but it was not dear to my heart. If it's, I can't do justice to something which is not dear to my heart. It may be a good film, it may be a damn good script, but I don't think I will do justice to it. So, ek to hai, it has to be something which I'm thinking of. And why I said Raju is because I think that Raju, I'm not saying that that he should or he, I'm just saying that he has the ability to make difficult themes into a watchable commercial film.
I still feel
the content that's shown right now in the industry, all the films that are made in the industry.
There are many films that I feel are exceptional, very very good films coming out, and so the whole theatre is expanded. You know, there will always be one set which is going to be the 300 crore club, you know, and there will be. But I feel there are some good films which are in the 100 crore club also. So we have moved.
Nobody remembers how much money this film made, Jojita Bhai Sikandar, and we are all here celebrating. You know, do you think today there's too much emphasis on box office than there should be?
See, there are two things. I think one thing is there's too much emphasis, but that always was. There's too much emphasis on box office. And the second thing is, and this I'm sharing, I'm quoting actually Farhan. He didn't say it in front of me, but I believe he said it. That people have become very over precise about shooting a film. So they become so precise that there is no time for creative change in the making. And as Amar shared that we had moments where we were in doubt. So while there are good things about planning, but if you say we're going to shoot it in 45 days and it's all cut and everything there, then you're only executing it a little mechanically. So I think that is also needed, that people are still organic.
What did you make Akshay Kumar do during the audition?
But he had a scene.
Silence everyone.
There was a scene written for the audition where they are playing volleyball or they are playing basketball. There was a ball involved, I know. And Akshay was doing strange things with that ball.
And Masood sir, why did you reject it?
Because he was doing strange things with the ball.
I'm so glad for us.
He recollects. In fact, he always tells me, and he says, but then he went on to be a leading man, and he got a. He worked out all right for him. So yes, but he does remember it very vividly.
Farhan, a question to you. That the Pooja Mary scene.
Yes.
Merlin Monroe, the copyright scene. Now it's become Jojita voice in the copyright. After this, it's been used in Tamil, Telugu movies as well. So what do you have to say about
it? Well, the idea came because
Ramba used it in a Tamil film as well.
No, I see. It came from Marilyn Monroe's iconic shot from 7-Year Itch. Though we gave her a red dress instead of the white one, and we put her on a red car. And it was also क्योंकि वो garage में blue car garage में काम करते हैं तो वो गाड़ी के ऊपर खड़ी होगी. It was just a fantasy shot, and we were very innocent that time. Yeah.
Ramba used it in a Tamil film. Okay, Aisha, you were too good in Jojita, which we cannot think of replacing. But if Girija was there, what was your take on that?
I must say, like I said, each film has its own destiny.
Yeah.
And the people who were destined to be part of it came back. Girija was a good actress.
Yeah.
The equation between Girija and me, Girija was not the one who failed. Actually, I think I failed. Because I saw her film with Mani Ratnam. And Mani Ratnam is an amazing director. He can make a block of wood act, Not that Girija is a block of wood. So anyway, what I'm saying is it was my shortcoming in being able to, and in the process, she got fed up because it was taking too long, and she was not very much interested in making a career in films. So she had only given. She thought, 2 mahine mein khatam ho jayegi, I'll be back in England and wherever. It didn't get over, and it was just going on and on.
Farhan, you paid a tribute to Curse with Om Shanti Om. It was a similar reincarnation story. So if there is another chance to pay a tribute to any other yesterday classic, which would it be?
I was just telling Mansoor, if he's ever going to remake it, I'm calling dibs on it first. But I think some movies, I don't know how to better Jojita Voi Sikandar, because these movies happen, and I know how grueling the cycling was. You'll have to really be
just to share with you, I get nightmares of Jojita every 2 weeks.